If you want to see your subscriptions on Yahoo Mail, you're in the right place. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you the simple steps to find your subscription settings inside your Yahoo account so you can check, review, and manage them easily. This is helpful if you want to keep track of services linked to your Yahoo email, or just make sure your account is organized. If this video helps, please hit like and subscribe for more easy software tutorials. Let's jump in. First, log into your Yahoo Mail account in your browser. Once you're inside your inbox, look to the top corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. This is usually where Yahoo keeps your account settings and management options. After clicking your profile, choose Manage Your Account. This will open your Yahoo account settings page where you can control different parts of your account. On this page, look for the Subscription tab. Depending on your layout, it may be listed among other account sections, so take a moment to scan the options carefully. Once you find it, click Subscriptions. This is where Yahoo shows the subscription-related details connected to your account. From here, you can review what's available and check the subscription information tied to your Yahoo profile. If you were trying to find where your Yahoo subscriptions are stored, this is the path you need to follow. It only takes a few clicks, and now you know exactly where to go the next time you need to check them. If this tutorial was useful, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel so you don't miss the next one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.